Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Nissan Rogue cabin filter. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You'll need a new cabin air filter, which you can usually find at an auto parts store, and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface and the engine is completely off. This simple maintenance task typically takes only about 15 to 20 minutes to complete, and it's a great way to improve your car's air quality. Now, let's get started by accessing the cabin filter housing. Begin by opening your glove compartment and removing all its contents to give yourself plenty of room to work. Next, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box. This action will release the stoppers, allowing the glove box to swing down further. Finally, locate the small dampener arm on the right side and carefully detach it. With the glove box out of the way, you'll see the cabin filter housing. There are usually two small clips on the cover. Gently unclip these to open it. Now, carefully pull out the old, dirty cabin air filter. Take note of its orientation, especially the airflow direction arrow, before you remove it. Then, insert your new filter, ensuring the airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one, typically downwards. Great job, you're almost done. First, reattach the cabin filter housing cover, making sure both clips snap securely into place. Next, reconnect the dampener arm to the right side of the glove box. Finally, carefully push the glove box back up into its original position until it latches properly. You've successfully replaced your Nissan Rogue's cabin air filter, improving your vehicle's air quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.